Hey guys, the purpose of this video is to teach you how to make an edit to an existing offer. Let's say you're sitting here in your calendar view and you're reviewing your upcoming offers and you realize that there's a change that needs to be made. In this case, let's say we need to make a change to this offer where we're going to give $10 off and $10 to charity, and we notice that in the details we don't mention a minimum order requirement. Under our Actions buttons right here, the center one is an Edit button. You simply tap on your Edit button and you go to wherever it is that edit needs to take place, if it's dates or whatever. In this case, what we said was we want to go ahead and put in a minimum order. So we're going to say share this offer to get $10 off your next order of $75 or more, comma. And once I've made whatever edit I need to make, you just simply hit Save Deal. The offer has now been saved, and now if you go to Calendar View, you'll notice now that the mentioning of the minimum order required. Guys, I hope this has been helpful. Make it a great day.